We all gather here together, in our hands we hold a key, how to clean our minds and enter this room of ceremony. Oh, this golden ceremony room, our true Father from whom we come and we are his children, all in everything we do.
Beautiful.
Oh, this golden ceremony room of our true Father from whom we come and we are his children, all in everything we do.
Beautiful.
We are, all of us are children, and we would to look and strive to love our eternal Father, what he gives us in this life. We are, all of us are children, and we need to work and strive to love our eternal Father, what he gives us in this life.
What I've known so far, I've learned so far about the rundown is that this is a very important cause. It has to do with water, it has to do with land, it has to do with rights, it has to do with people, it has to do with humanity, it has to do with kindness and love, it has to do with music, it has to do with expression, it has to do with compassion, it has to do with loyalty to earth, to self, to stars, to life, and it also has to do with having a really good time. What are we doing again?